After you have created your account and built your web store on SmartSeller e-commerce platform and have uploaded your cool products to the web store, you may want to sync your store to Facebook Shop. Hi, I am Eliza. I am your host for this tutorial. In this lesson, I will show you how you can reach out to the 2 billion Facebook users to sell your products by synchronizing your web store on SmartSeller to your Facebook page. So, let's go. At the address bar of your browser, type smartseller.online and press enter. You are now at SmartSeller website. Click Sign In found at the top of the navigation bar. Proceed to sign into your account by typing in your username or email address and password. Click the blue bar to log in. You are now looking at your dashboard. Click Facebook Integration on the left navigation column and select Facebook Shop. This is the Facebook integration page. Click the blue color Get Started button. You will be prompted to log in to Facebook if you have not already done so. If you do not have a Facebook account, you can click the green button to create a new Facebook account. Here, I assume you already have a Facebook account. So let's proceed to log in to your Facebook account. Type in your email or phone number, followed by your password. Click the blue Login button to continue. After you have successfully logged into Facebook, click the blue color lower right corner button next to continue. If you have more than one Facebook page, you will need to choose which Facebook page you want to sync with your web store. You must have a Facebook page in order for your web store to sync to it. If you don't have a Facebook page, go to Facebook to create one. In this demo, I have created a Facebook page called Anderson's Store. I select it by clicking it. The system now connects the web store on SmartSeller and the Facebook page called Anderson's Store. Click the blue color lower right corner button next to continue. It also installs an advertising tool, Facebook Pixel, on your computer. Click the blue color lower right corner button next to continue. Click the lower right corner blue Finish button to start copying the products from your web store to your Facebook shop. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your web store to your Facebook shop and are ready to sell to potential buyers on Facebook. Click the blue button to continue. We are all done linking our web store to Facebook shop. Now you are back to SmartSeller dashboard. You can see that your SmartSeller web store is busy talking to your Facebook shop, uploading your products to Facebook. Be patient, get a coffee or do some exercise. Do anything but do not get out of this page. Stay on the page while the uploading is undergoing. When uploading is completed, click the blue color text, Your Facebook Page, to view your exciting Facebook page. You are directed to your personal Facebook account. On the left side navigation column, click your Facebook shop. In this demo, it is Anderson's Store. This is the Facebook page for your online business. On the left-hand navigation column, click Shop. Voila! This is your Facebook shop that contains the same products in your web store. That's right. You have synchronized your web store to your Facebook shop. Scroll down to look at the professionally laid out products. This is what your customers see when visiting your Facebook shop. Buyers can click on an item to look at the detailed information. She can look at more images of the product from the gallery on the left. To buy the product, the customer clicks on the blue bar on the right that reads Checkout on Website. She will be seamlessly redirected to your SmartSeller web store to complete the transaction. The customer now sees the shopping cart on your web store and can proceed to checkout. That concludes our tutorial for this session. I hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers for now. And thanks for watching.